Okay, so I'm gonna demo the setup for you all, just in case it's a little confusing, but you do not need any tools for this. So it should be a total of 1, 2, which is your shelf. This is your back piece for your laptop here. The essential piece, which goes in the middle here. Your drawer and your base. This is the front. So when you put this on, just like this, should be to the right side. This is for your keys. This is where you'll insert your watch here. If you have an Apple Watch, and you'll place it here, and you can put the cord through here. And it's a little slot right here. And you just press it right into it. And it's a little slant there. And you can see, you just push it there, no problem. This, for your cell phone holder, push it right in this slot. Push. This, it's your drawer here. Boom. Now on the back side, you should have a slot right there for this. Just press it down. Boom. Good to go.